Welcome back, guys, or welcome to the channel. Isn't it? So you don't know today I'm here at the river. You get me? I say they're at the river today. So at the river today, you don't know, we're gonna look some tilapia. Hopefully we can get some. We need some fish. I have a sweet potato in my bag, which I'm gonna roast with some fish. As you know, so hopefully we can get some fish. You get me? I say so. Right now, let's have a go just suit up, gear up, and just hop into the water and see what we can get. And then now from best of you guys will see everything else so I go on. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get some tilapia today. Because from the other day there hasn't been much luck. But hopefully we can get some today, isn't it? So right now, we're gonna just hop into the water and see what we can find. So let's do that now. Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment about what you think about the video. And if you can become a patron, link in the description, PayPal link in the description. Also, if you feel like you want to support the channel. So with that being said, we're gonna jump into the water now and see what we can find. Hey guys, so I don't know if they're here. Let's see if we can get some tilapia. Don't get any as yet, but still trying. So we'll keep on watching, watch the ads. So right now we across the river. We get to the other side where we can see if we can get a few. Hopefully I can get at least two. We are going for two, so that's the aim. To get two tilapia today. And we are going to roast them with some sweet potato. So we are across the river now and go check the other side of the river and see what we can get. Guys, this is the crayfish claw. Didn't change or dead or something. Yeah, but guys, but today, guys, is not a successful day. The other water dark. This, where the fish are normally see. You don't see any of them really small. You don't manage to get one. It's really small, guys. So I guess this video is just going to turn into a survival video because right now they're hungry and we can't get any fish. You see me? So right now there's no what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna try to find something to do right now. The little fish, why it's really small. So I don't even know how I'm gonna manage right now. Let me show you guys the fish. You know? So, I don't know. Beside fish. Beside fish, guys. You see me? Really small, so I don't even know how this is going to work, but I will catch a fire or we have a roast. We now make it waste, catch a fire, or a roast. So I head on the other side of the river and get this scale up, clean up, or I catch a fire and roast it with some sweet potatoes. So let's get that done. Guys, if you ever believe what just happened, never starve today. One fish me get, I put it in the mask, right? I forgot it was in the mask, crossing the river. I just remembered like how me I got the fish. When me look, no fish in the mask. Right now I don't have nothing to eat but the coconut, but the sweet potato now. Sure no. Right there. Guys, I really want the fish, you know. Trust me, the fish. I was just crossing the river and forget that it was in the mask and have had it in the water like this, the back side. I never remember anything about it. I know. Guys, right now, just have to just catch up a fire, roast a sweet potato, and just eat that for the day because we're up on the river and can't get any fish. With one fish we get it last. Water wash it with. So I'm gonna make up a fire and roast it. The sweet potato now because that's all we can do right now. Oh, I know. Alright guys, so guys, if you come at the river with a banana chips and look, pure ants. Now me I gonna starve. Think about the plastic. Guys, it's pure ants in the banana chips and I was like just gulping it down. Right down, but just after just wash out my mouth. Guys, today is one of the worst days. Couldn't get no fish. We get one, water wash it away. We come back with I eat the little banana chips so I have on bag side. Be ants in it. January guys, right now today is one of the worst days I can ever experience at the river. Trust me. I'm eating ants. Oh. Yeah guys, just have to just throw it away because it done gone but already it's full of ants. Now me have to starve. But I don't know, we'll survive. We have to survive today, isn't it? So we're gonna look something. We're gonna roast with the sweet potato and we're gonna survive the day, isn't it guys? So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna look something else to eat and drink and everything, isn't it guys? So let's do that now. Guys, this stuff gonna save our life. Isn't it? This nice sweet potato we bring from home. Yeah, so this up. I don't know, we have to look some fire stick now to catch the fire. So that's the motive. Some fire stick to catch up a fire. I know I'm trying to go through the maca here. Take a time. Because the maca here really sharp. I'm barefoot. Yeah. So these are the maca. We don't want them to jam in the air. That will make me just have to hop. So I don't know, we have look some fire stick though to catch the fire. So we can roast the sweet potato. Alright guys, so you know the fire catch up now. We got fire, you see me? So from we got fire, I have sweet potato here. So you don't know, so we're now get younger again. So I don't know, I will drop it on the fire. And I think maybe it's all right. And I use one piece. I use a piece here today. Roast today, you see me guys? So as soon as the fire catch up a little more, we just drop it on top, make it go on roast. And we're gonna have that to eat. We're gonna stir it with some jelly. Hey guys, don't know where I look about something to eat. That's me, do this so. I'm going to roast. So just wait for it for roast now. Get one jelly, I'll just sit down and eat with roast sweet potato and coconut. Yeah man. Hey guys, so I don't know. Sweet potato done roast. Just going to turn it this now. And we'll get some jelly now guys. Let's see if we can get 2 jelly. Come back and eat the sweet potato and drink the jelly. We're gonna head home, isn't it guys? So today isn't the best day because as I say, going to the water to catch some fish and get any because the water kind of dark. I've been asking a fish, isn't me? Baby fish me I see. So even got one and boom, it got washed away. That was messed up. No joke, it was messed up, but guys, we have to look jelly now, isn't me? I will look some coconut now, come back and we'll cut it and eat with sweet potato and drink some jelly water. Get me I say so, let's just do that now. Alright guys, so you don't know, right now we're gonna look some jelly, isn't me? I look some jelly over there, so isn't me? It's a farm of a friend of mine, isn't me? So you don't know, so we're gonna look to jelly now one. Come back and eat up a food. Yeah, so I look the jelly now peeps. Hey guys, so see them here. We get 2 jelly so far, so this 2 is good enough. Yeah man, so respect for that GC, so whenever you see the video, you don't know so I pick them. Yeah, so guys, we head back on the riverside now. We head back on the riverside and we're gonna take out the sweet potato out of the fire and we're gonna start to eat. Because we have nothing else, we have to survive off what we have. You get me? Survive off of the environment. So we just have to take care of the environment because we may never know. Yeah, so let's get back to the riverside now guys and show you guys how I go on. Alright peeps, so you don't know, so right now we're gonna take out the sweet potato out of the fire. Wow, hot. Ooh. Guys, this is extremely hot, so I'm gonna put it down for now. Let it cool a little. Show you guys how I go on. Yeah, so I go on now. Then now we have to cut it in 2. Piece for me and piece for you. Yes sir. Wow. Oh my. Guys, this trust me, this is gonna taste so good. Roast sweet potato. Guys. Whew, hot. Oh my, should have some butter now, peeps. Very sweet. Lemon. Time to drink a jelly because I'm so thirsty. I hate when that happens. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah peeps, so I don't know today I drink really I need some sweet potato. Alright, some nice sweet potato guys, tastes so good, well roasted too. Hey guys, it wasn't as successful as I wanted it to be, but I still appreciate what we get. As this I do a lot right now. It's a full my belly. And you know me have 2 jelly. Yeah. I just have a spoon to take it out. First one finish, first half finish. You know, we're gonna start on the half here now. We're gonna clean it off, then we're gonna start on it. Okay peeps, jelly tastes so good and refreshing right now. The sun hot. The sky blue and pretty also. Yeah, man, so it's a nice day. So right now guys, we're just gonna finish up. So I finish up my you see me? So I finish up now guys and head home. So let's just finish eating and go all up bed so we can head home back. Yeah peeps, so I don't know, the video has come to an end right now. I'm finish eat. We throw something at the fire. Yeah guys, really enjoy that. Though the fact that I don't really get no fish or anything like that because I really want some fish, but maybe I buy some soon. But for now, this is one easy back. I go to bed now and we're gonna head home. You see me? So hope you all enjoyed that video. It's not gonna be a long video, so it's gonna roughly be about 10-15 minutes, but still have to put out something for you guys. So you don't know, I'm gonna be there now. And we're gonna head home back guys. So catch you in my next upload and remember to subscribe guys and comment and share the video. Also drop a like, you see me? That helps build the channel also. You see me? As I say, PayPal in the description, Patreon in the description. So if you feel like you want to support the channel, you can just click the links down below and support the channel. You see me? So right now, we're gonna head out now and see if we can get home. So peace out until the next upload. Catch you guys later.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart.